A lot of YouTubers have been talking about being consistent on the YouTube platform, but they never tell you exactly what consistency means on YouTube. So in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how you can be consistent on YouTube with 0 views, 0 subscribers. Even if you've not started your channel, this video is going to help you to boost your morale on being consistent on YouTube. So make sure to stick with me to the end of this video to get exactly what you need to do to be more consistent on your channel. Stay tuned. So if this is your first time seeing me on your screen, make sure to smash that subscribe button. Turn on the post notification so that you'll be notified whenever I bring out. So this video, I've named it the 10 video rule. The 10 video rules. So the 10 video rules actually talks about creating 10 videos before you launch your YouTube channel on the YouTube platform. So here is how you're going to do it. First thing you need to do is to find a niche that you want to venture into. Before you create the 10 videos that I'm about to tell you, first thing you need to do is to find the niche that you want to venture into. That's the main first thing that you need to do. So it being cooking tutorials, unboxing videos, how-to videos, football analysis, and any other niche that you like, you think you are best in. So once you find your niche, the second thing you need to do is to go onto YouTube, search for things about your niche. You can get a lot of videos. People are creating a lot of content about that particular niche that you want to venture into. Get more ideas. Try to mimic the ideas that they've showcased in their videos. You are not going to copy exactly what they said and post it in your content. No, you're going to mimic. Try to recreate the videos that you've created in a slightly way. Your own should be unique from their own. Yes, let's say you are venturing into how to grow on YouTube. Instead of you writing how to grow on YouTube, you can frame it in a way like how I grow on YouTube, so that people will be like, you are sharing your experience on YouTube, the experience that you've gotten on YouTube, you are sharing it to them. So make sure you mimic their way of creating their videos and practice it, put it in your video so that you also be unique in your own way. So once you're done with these knowledges, you can also go to other social media platforms to get more ideas on such niche that you want to venture into. So once you get those ideas, then you write down from 1 to 10. You pick titles that you're going to create the video upon. Let's say it is unboxing video. You first search for videos that are trending in that particular niche. You pick some titles, you reframe them for, let's say, 10 titles. Then the next thing you need to do is to head over to ChatGPT or any other AI tools that you probably use on your phone or on your laptops. You go in on that 10 titles, you take one, you go and put it there. You tell ChatGPT to generate a script for you on your video. I'll show you an example of how to generate scripts in my next video, so make sure to stick around. Subscribe so that you will not miss out when I upload said video. Yes, so you allow ChatGPT to do it. Create a script. You can choose to make it point so that you yourself can explain better. Yeah, you can choose to create it point by point so that you yourself can explain them. Or you can tell ChatGPT to write the full script of the video so that you chew them and sit at the back of your camera and start talking. Yeah, but for me, I'll advise you to write down the points. Point 1, let's say point 1, point 2, point 3, so that you can explain them one after the other. So when you are done with this, then you find or you search for the name that you're going to give to your channel. So you can use your name for the channel, whatever that you think is good for the channel, the name that you think could be suitable for your channel, you can choose them, then you're good to go. So when you are done with this, you are done with finding the niche, getting ideas about the niche, writing down the topics that you want to create the videos on. You get your channel name, then you start shooting. With this shooting, it even boosts your morale or your confidence sitting at the back of a camera talking. It's going to make you consistent, get ahead of people who are posting once to create content on their platform. So they'll actually know recommend those videos to other people. But as you have 10 videos ahead of you before you even start your channel. YouTube will see consistency in you, and they'll start pushing your channels to more people because you're giving them back-to-back ideas. You are solving a lot of problems on their platform. You're putting out videos that's helping people. So they're actually going to push your videos to those people. Let's say you post once a week for at least a month. You have 10 videos, so once a week, you'll be consistent within 2 months. And YouTube will see this to be a good thing. The algorithm will love you for being consistent, and they will probably push your videos. So before you start creating your YouTube channel, make sure you do what I've said, the 10 video rule. Stick to this, and I promise you're going to be bigger on this platform. If you follow me to the end of this video, I say thank you, and make sure to smash that subscribe button, turn on the post notification, and like this video too. And let me know in the comment section by saying the 10 video rule. We are ready. Write in the comment section that we are ready so that we all grow together. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.